here we are at the cafe underneath the sink, and we're just removing the first of the 3 filters. It's 3M, and the key here is this number, SWC1350. And so it's a little hard to see under here. Do my best. Get some light. You can see the handle right there. That's the valve to turn the water on and off. So I'm going to turn off the valve, and you can see the valve here
And one here,
Yep.
so it don't backfeed.
There we go. Now we got some light, so you can see the yellow handle there. You want to turn the water off here first, which turns the water off to this line, and then you turn this valve off as well. And then you can see what Jim's doing is basically it's just a little twist lock. You press that filter up at the top, and then you'll feel it twist and pull itself in and lock itself in. There we go. Give it a little twist, and that's it. Now we keep a little empty container under there because during this process you might get a little dribble of water, in which case you have like a container to let the drips fall into. And once you can see Jim turn the valve, now it's perpendicular, or vertical I should say. That valve's on. You turn the gray valve on there at the top of the unit, and that filter is installed. It took about 1 minute, maybe 1.5 minutes to install, and this is a filter that we would install every year. So we're going to look at it here on the counter again. It's the SWC1350, so if you Google that, that'd be the number to order, and it goes in once a year. What we'll do is take a marker and we'll write on the cartridge when we actually install that filter, so that next January we put a new one in.